Oh, hey YouTube. This is just one of those quick little videos talking about the fact that I have now gotten my second COVID vaccination shot. It's Tuesday now as I'm making this, and I got the shot on Saturday. I had zero side effects other than the shoulder was sore like last time, where they put the shot in, but it's pretty normal for getting a shot in the arm. You're going to be sore there a couple days. But that was it. There were, like the first time I had a little bit of diarrhea afterwards. Didn't have any of that. I did feel a little tired, but I can't really say that that's all on the vaccine because I'm also on the blood thinners for the bilateral pulmonary embolism. I have had a hell of a 2 years, Cancer tried to kill me, and then they had me through radiation therapy, and then they threw it through chemotherapy, and then the frickin' epidemic or pandemic hits, and I'm like, wait a minute, I'm not healthy enough for that shit yet. Well, I made it. But then, after I actually gained some of that immunity back from having lost it during chemotherapy, I get a bilateral pulmonary embolism and was literally 15 minutes from dying, according to the doctor at the ER. So, yeah, I've had a hell of a 2 years. So, being a little more comfortable now that I've had the second shot, and I'm not fully, I'm not at its peak immunity yet because it takes about 2 weeks after you get the shot, and it's only been 4 days. So I got a ways to wait for that. I'm still wearing a mask everywhere I go. I don't want to spread this to other people if I end up getting it and it doesn't affect me because I'm immunized. Doesn't mean I can't give it to somebody else close to me, and that would kind of suck if that happens. So we're not going to try not to do that anyway. Yeah. A lot been going on the last couple of weeks. I'm sure you all have been watching the TV and the news quite wholeheartedly. I have. It drives me nuts to see all that shit happening in the United States, but I'm a Marine. I will adapt and overcome, and we will figure this out on the other side, which hopefully we're a little closer to being on the other side of it now. Yeah. Anyway. Not going to put my political opinion out there. If you guys haven't guessed it by now, you probably will never. But anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to throw you out there that I have gotten the second shot. I am feeling a bit more comfortable in my own skin now, a little bit safer. And I'm still going to recommend that everyone get one. But on the other hand, I'm not going to sit there and say, you have to get it. I mean, it is still a personal choice. But from my perspective, it's worthwhile. So if you have the opportunity, do it. I mean, it's better than getting sick. One of my friends who lives up in Buffalo, New York, got it early on last year, actually. And he was down for like a month. And he's come back out of it. He's a few years older than me, early 60s, I think. But anyway, so he survived it. But now he's got brain fog. And it's lasted the entire, almost the entire year that he's been well again. He's got brain fog. He still has trouble catching his breath and stuff like that. The long-term effects of this, definitely not worth going the natural immunization route and catching it and developing the antibodies that way. If you can get the vaccine, definitely recommend it. He is not the only one I've heard that story about. I mean, actually, I've talked to him on the phone directly. He's told me to my own ear. But I've heard of other people that have had a similar experience. And also that apparently 1 in 3 that have had it end up, after they recover, going back to the hospital for it. And out of every 8 that do that, 1 of them dies. That's scary in and of itself. I mean, yeah. Anyway, so enough about all that. I will get off of here, and hopefully I will have a regular video up. I'm getting ready to turn chest set. I'm going to be posting a poll. I want to know a little bit about how I should go about putting these chest piece videos up. Whether it should be one long video including all 6 different types of chest pieces, or whether I should split it up into, say, 2, 2, and 2, or how we're going to do that. But I'm going to put that poll up probably shortly after I put this video up, and You guys let me know how you want it, and then I'll already have started filming, but I'll be able to divide it up however I need to. So have a good one, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.